pulled a bunch of stuff off the shelf and took it to the trade show. But we got some pretty cool stuff. Like this is, you know, one of the more challenging ones we do. This is a power supply, aerospace power supply. It starts as a block of aluminum. We hog it all out, plate it, install the helicoils. We paint it in-house. Aerospace spec paint. You gotta like measure. It's 3 layers. There's like goofy, I don't know, the wash primer, and there's like a primer over that, and then there's a paint cosmetic over the top of that. And we've actually got to submit a little report to the aerospace customer that shows that we've measured each layer with a little ultrasound measuring device that uses sound, and the stack up of all 3 is between this, and each layer is only this, and so it's very, you know, the painting on this is as hard as anything that we do. And you know, we do all kinds of goofy stuff, from, you know, dashboards for Indian motorcycle. I don't know what we got here. You know, these are like crankshafts for these pretty cool, you know, high-end bicycles. These are airplane wing structural things. These are all laser bodies here. And then we do, oh, this one's really cool here. This is for ISR. They make spray cool stuff. It's a lot of big, heavy electronics go in this. But this is machined, and you can see this right here. It's actually electron beam welded, and there's no seam. This is welded across these surfaces, and then you machine it off, and there is literally, and the weld goes all the way through the material. There's actually no seam. And this is like, you know, our claim to fame is, you know, we want to do all the stuff that nobody else either wants to do or can do. So this is one of those things that, you know, probably, you know, no sane person would, you know, take on this project, because I mean the tolerances of this thing is crazy. You know, you got a, you know, geometric tolerance from here to here and here to here, and you know, every little hole has to be in perfect alignment with every other little hole. It's really a crazy thing. We got some, well, I'll show it on the floor. We got some of these titanium optical things are pretty cool, but they took those with us to the show. Some we do plastic injection molding.
And these are your clients?
Yeah, these are different customers. Like this is Crane Aerospace, you know, Indian Motorcycle, ISR, Big Sky Laser, you know, Boston Scientific, you know, this is Core Electronics, yada yada yada, Honeywell, and then so these are plastic injection molded. This is like a film insert molding. So we specialize in all this really tough stuff. It's actually starts with. Oh, again, they stole all my cool samples. Well, it starts with a little film that you insert and you injection mold behind it, and then so you can't scratch it off. Heart defibrillators, very, very tricky stuff. Gas assist injection molding, you can see here, we actually inject using conventional injection molding, and we pump nitrogen gas in here. Kind of allows you to bend the rules of molding. That's why it's all hollow. This is just cut away to show you how, normally with molding you can only, you know, you can maybe mold a wall thickness of, you know, 200, 250 thousandths. And you can see that that wall thickness is quite a bit bigger than a quarter of an inch. And that's the gas assist kind of lets you bend the rules like that. You know, soft touch over molding. It's start with a hard substrate, and we mold a rubber thingy on there, and a lot like a little toothbrush. You know, you have a little soft touch on your toothbrush. And a lot of fitness stuff for Pre-Core. Some of these things go to a customer that's in the environmental testing business. HVAC for big equipment, things like that. Little government telephone here. This is from L3Com. It's like encrypted and everything. This goes to AIS, and then we also do the bottom that goes to L3Com, and they want they specifically want the AIS does the top, and L3Com does the bottom, which has got the encoder chip in it that encrypts it, and they don't want they specifically want two different manufacturers doing the electronics, so an end customer marries it up. It's an encrypted phone, but they don't want, you know, one customer giving them the whole phone because it's high security stuff, you know. Pretty cool stuff. Hopefully it works. So and this is my own little project I've been working on here, my own invention. So all this stuff is stuff we do for everybody else, and then this is my invention I've been working on. It's called Mind's Eye, and it's just you know, kind of Legos on steroids. You know, doesn't come apart. You know, it's all motor ready. I'll give you a little demo here. This one's all robotic here. I don't have it programmed, but it's got. I'll show you here. Let's see here. You know, this is six-wheel independent suspension, six-wheel drive. It's got little touch sensors back here, so if you back into something, you program it to avoid objects. We've got this little rigged up right here with little laser things here with light sensor. So it's all good here, but if you approach an object, then the light sensor picks up the laser beam, and you could program it to do whatever you want. You could program it to grab the object, or yeah, whatever you want to do, or spin around 3 times. You know, it's got what other kind of cool sensors does it have? Oh, it's got a little line follower under here, which is a light sensor and stuff. So and we're hoping to get this the system out of the market here in 2010. But give you a little demo here before we. 6-wheel steering. Yeah, we got this one geared down. We got like race cars that are doing 40, 50 miles per hour. But, and we're working on a real solar panel for this one too, so you can have the, you know, get the whole car. So there's a quick demo.
No wonder you like to come to work.
Yeah. Never a dull moment.